Party will give me responsibility. Why should I worry about it? I will not backstab also. I will not blackmail also. Let us not sell the story. Let us sell the future now. The people of Karnataka's commitment. I believe Congress is a family for everyone. It is not only for certain section. I don't want to divide anyone here. Whether they like me, whether they doesn't like me, I am a party president. I don't want to go with a bad remark.
How are you feeling now, sir?
Feeling happy, feeling proud, feeling satisfied.
You're looking so healthy today, sir.
Yes, definitely I had a good sleep. My BP is correct now, 130, 80. Morning I checked. There was some cramp in my legs. It is also okay.
Let's start some formal chatting, sir.
Yes, I'm doing my chatting.
Yes,
I'll do chatting.
How? Now you are traveling back to Delhi today, sir. What are the programs, sir?
No, my program is that I have to meet my party high command. I've been asked to come there yesterday night. But due to my health and other spiritual formalities, so instead of going in the late night, because the last 2-3 days I didn't have sleep, so at least for 5-6 hours I could sleep.
One thing, sir. You always said party is my God.
Definitely.
That quote always continues.
Of course, he said, we have built this party, we have built this house. I'm a part of it. I'm not alone. I'm a part of it.
You always used to say that party is like a mother. Party will give everything to us.
Definitely, a mother will give the child everything, whatever she needs. After all, if anyone is there, it is only the party, no? Minus Congress, everyone is zero. If anyone has become anything, it is only because of the Congress party.
Doesn't matter what the number is. We won. I believe in my party. This is your quote again and again.
Yes, numbers is for elections, public elections.
One example, sir. You first from 2018, when Mr. Sidramaya was Chief Minister, he could not retain the government. There were several issues. Congress party was not organized at that point of time. You came back to the office. You took the responsibility, and that responsibility became the biggest task for you. In 2030, the result has been exposed. Now, your expectations and the party's line, you're also party president. What are you thinking of it, sir?
I don't want to comment what has happened earlier, how it happened. See, that is a closed chapter. We had formed the government, we lost the government, we lost a coalition government. Who is responsible? Who is responsible for the victory? Who is responsible for the loss? There is no question of speaking now. Let us not sell the story. Let us sell the future now. The people of Karnataka's commitment promises what we have done. That has to be fulfilled now. Let us take the state forward first.
You took biggest responsibility of forming a manifesto, sir. You took the organizational things, strategies, tactics. You said result is really important. Do you think that need to be considered, sir?
See, in politics, everything will have to be considered. Even the hard work of a small worker who has tied my flag, who has fought in the booths, who has begged for the vote, who have made the numbers in the booth. They are the leaders. They are the roots. Without root, there is no fruit. I believe in it.
You always say Sonia Gandhi is just like a mother to me. Sir.
Let us not discuss much on that. We have a lot of discussion held on that issue. She is our role model.
DK Shivakumar ji always becomes emotional, sir, when it comes to connectivity of the karyakartas and the workers, and doesn't matter whoever comes to you, you say, I'm standing in favor of you. And the whole generation, the whole young generation.
You see, without workers, how can there be a leader or any political party?
Those workers, those youngsters now want to see you in the CM post, sir. Each and everybody are saying now. The whole young MLAs, young leadership, the karyakartas who worked in the ground, they are coming and openly saying that we want DKG, we want DK sir, we want DK Anna into the post.
See, I don't go by this caste group and all. I believe Congress is a family for everyone. It is not for only for certain section. We have to take everyone together. Our constitution is very much important. So we have to protect everyone's interest. That is important.
There are several analyses, sir. At this point of time, everybody are saying that there are two tall leaders. Who will take the responsibility, we will follow them. What do you say to that, sir?
That High Command will decide.
DK Suresh ji won from Karnataka. You have many more numbers to bring back. Will those be connected, sir?
No, we will have to. That is our next challenge. We should have at least 20 seats. 18, 20 seats we should win. That is our challenge now.
Sir, my final question, I just want to ask one thing, sir. Are you not hopeful to get more responsibilities, sir?
See, party will give me responsibility. Why should I worry about it? If I am eligible, they will give. Why to worry on that?
You're meeting leaders today, sir. There were observers came here. They held meeting. They discussed. They took the opinion. And many sources said that many MLAs are in favor of you. What's your message to them, sir?
See, I don't want to divide any MLAs, whether they are favor or whether they are not favor. Ours is a united house. Our numbers are 135 plus other independent associates.
They are also announced, sir.
I don't want to divide anyone here. Whether they like me, whether they doesn't like me, I am a party president. I am a responsible man. I have to look everyone in a same eyes. Though I have two eyes, I should look everyone in a equally. That is our basic philosophy of Congress party.
You did not cross your party line, sir, at any cost of time. This is the final task. What is your opinion, sir?
I will not do. Why should I do? Why should I cross my party line? I will not backstab also. I will not blackmail also. That is, whoever want to have their culture, let they do and enjoy it. But why I should do? I will not do. I don't want to go to the wrong history. See, one who has been born has to die someday. I don't want to go with a bad remark.